This is a big and bitter blow for Prince Harry. He'd arrived in London with a smile and a wave, but was facing a blank rejection and a complete defeat in his fight against the publishers of the Daily Mail. The last of Harry's privacy lawsuits against the British tabloid press is now over, and it's likely the end of the road for this claim. The judgment was massive and meticulous, 436 pages determining in detail how he'd lost. No evidence of unlawful information gathering, be it through phone hacking, blagging or bugging devices. This is an outright victory for Associated Newspapers, and the publisher's editor-in-chief pulls no punches.
Today, in what was a momentous victory for the Mail, the High Court dismissed every single one of the 97 claims. That is an overwhelming vindication of our journalism. Poor Harry. I feel sorry for the way a confused and angry young man has been drawn into this case. The bitter irony is that his mother, Diana, liked the Mail. We were her paper. We took her side in her acrimonious breakup with Charles.
The case is a costly and unexpected disaster for Team Sussex. Not one of the 14 articles in Harry's claim succeeded. He'd wanted to prove Associated Newspapers had illegally invaded his privacy, publishing stories about him at any cost. He'd wanted to hold editors and journalists to account and force further scrutiny of the press, but his claims didn't stand up.
There was no evidence, and actually, as the case was going on, that became clearer and clearer. I have no idea why Prince Harry came back from America. My advice to him is return to the West Coast with your tail between your legs.
In an angry statement, Harry and Baroness Doreen Lawrence said it is a complete and obvious whitewash, but sadly not altogether unexpected. However, the length to which the court has gone to exonerate the Mail is as shocking as it is totally unwarranted. There is a small chance Harry could appeal, but this lengthy judgment would be hard to contest. The Mail says the lawsuit has already cost £50 million, and while the claimants are insured, it's unlikely anyone would pay for a rematch. Harry had wanted his day in court. He'd made it his mission to take on the tabloids, but when it came to the Mail, he failed. For him, these headlines will be hard to read. After the dispute over his room at Buckingham Palace, it's been another difficult day for the Duke of Sussex.